Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Swiftly. We are going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about what Swiftly actually is and also how much it's worth. So, what is Swiftly? Swiftly is a digital ecosystem, empowers retailers to grow sales and build loyalty while enabling brands to reach more shoppers through retail media networks. Swiftly's technology harnesses the power of AI to help retailers build strong digital relationships with customers and deliver amazing sales results. Swiftly powered retail media networks enable America's leading brands to influence consumers across their shopping journeys and provide the closed loop reporting that drives high performance advertising campaigns. You can easily learn more about them and on their website, but also they are offering really nice options, and this is basically what they do in one picture. You can download the Swiftly and then get all the platforms and all the basically new stuff inside, or new deals, hot deals from your favorite sellers inside of your phone. And I believe it's not only, I'm really struggling for words, it's not only conclusive to America market, but you can get it in Europe, Asia, etc. It's pretty nice new big deal where you just download the app and get the flyers from your nearest supermarket. So you exactly know what is on sale, what is worth buying, and many more. But Swiftly is exclusive to US market. As you can see, just a few brands we worked with. Actually, Collie Glad, they are at the moment hiring if you're interested. And also the app is free, so you don't have to basically worry too much about it, and you can see if you are in charge of that. You see a turn key mobile platform created for you, your first name, last name, and your email, and you'll get in touch, and also seamlessly integrate your current product catalog. I think it's really a thing for the future, so you can just easily shop from your phone or get all the flyers straight into your phone. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.